Hello, welcome back students. This is part 2 of two-part series of how to calculate perimeter and area of composite figures. Last time we have learned from the first examples that how we can do the area, we can calculate the area of the composite figures by addition. That one is method 1. The second method is by subtraction. So I will show you more examples to do this calculation. Okay, the first one is this one, the T shape here. Okay, so whenever you see this one, you see the T shape here, you see how to do the perimeter is just the same, right? We start from the upper left hand corner. Okay, upper left hand corner, and then we can do this one 1 2 3 4 5 7 7 7 plus the 2 plus the 2 and then plus the 5 plus the 3 plus the 5 plus the 2 plus the 2, and then it is equal to 28 centimeter. That's for the perimeter. Okay, starting point and then the ending point is the same, and then we stop. Okay, so that's why I ask you to start counting from here. Okay, it will be helpful for you to know where is the starting point, because the starting point is also the ending point. Okay, now let's do it by observation. How to do the area by observation? If we do this one 4 5 7 7, right? 7 2 is 14, and then this one 3 3 of 5, this one of 15. So 14 and 15 29, right? So that one is actually is the first method, right? By addition. I'll show you this one now. This one, the addition, right? This one, you see, is this composite figures, this T composite figures is made of two shapes. One is rectangles of the green here, and then this blue shapes here is also rectangles. So how to do the area? So the area is, when we do it by addition, we can say this one, the area of the green plus the area of the blue. And then when we see this one, the green is, when we do the calculation, that one should be 7 times with 2. Okay, and then plus the green is 5 times 3. Now 7 times 2 is 14, and then plus 15, and then we get this one 29 square centimeter. Okay, now the second method is by subtraction. I hope by now you can see how to do by subtraction. Okay, you can cut this. For example, you have the total piece of paper is just like this, and then you cut this side, and then you cut this side. And now let me show you this one. Okay, and then you can see, right, the whole paper here, and then you cut this side, on the left hand side, and then cut this shape on the right hand side. Okay, so you can see the T shape is made of the whole area minus the pink area, and then minus also the orange area. So how to do this one? Let's do it again, which is the total area minus the uh, minus the pink, and then minus the area of the orange. Okay, so the total area here is 4 5 6 7 7 times this one 4 5 6 7 7 times 7. Okay, so let's do this one. 7 times 7 is the total area, and minus this one, you have 5 times 2. Okay, 5 times 2, that was for the pinks area, and then minus the area of the yellow shapes of orange shape over there is just the same, 5 times with 2. Okay, now so let's do this calculation. 7 times 7 is 49, minus 5 times 2 is 10, and then we minus again another 10, because 5 times 2 here. Now so 49 minus 10 minus 10, this one is equal to 29 square centimeter. Okay, so when you compare your result, you can see, right, from by observation, the area is this 29. If we do by addition, it's also 29. We do by subtraction, this one is also 29. So if for this T shape, I think you can see, right, which one is better, right? Either you use the addition or subtraction. Okay, I think most of you will say, oh, I think addition will be easier to do, right? Because you just have two steps here, right? Compare with this, you have three steps, right? This total minus this and minus the other one also. So you have this one, you have three steps to do, right? Now let me show you another examples, and then you can see which one is easier to use. Either you use addition or subtraction. Which one is easier to use? Now let me show you in this one. This is the U shape over here now. Okay, so whenever you see this one, you can see, right? Let's count the perimeter first. Okay, start from the upper left hand side corner here. Okay, you have the 2 plus, you please check again here, yeah. Let me just say this one, 2 plus the 3 plus the 2 plus the 3 plus the 2 plus the 5 plus the 6 here, and then plus another 5, come back to the original point, and then we stop. Okay, so the result is 28 centimeter. Okay, and then the area, when we do by observation here, this one, you see this one, this one is 10, this one is 4, this one is another 10, become 24 square centimeter. Okay, now let's do this one first by method 1, the first method. So let's do this one. So you divide into three shapes. Okay, the first shape is the green, the second shape is the rectangles of this blue, and then the third shape is the rectangles also, again just like the green, yeah, the rectangles, the red rectangles here. Okay, so if by addition we just add up all of this, right? So let's just do this one again. The green area plus the blue area plus the red area. Okay, the red area. Okay, so the shape red, the red shape, right? Now, and then we see this one, the green here, the area of the green is, you have 3 times with 2. Okay, the length times with the breadth, 3 times with 2, and then we plus the blue's area here, the blue shape's area here is, you have 6 times with 2. Okay, 6 times with 2. Okay, sorry, times with 2, and then you plus another areas, this one for the red shape, which is 3 times with the 2. Okay, so the result is 3 times 2 is 6, and then we plus 6 times 2 is 12, and then we plus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so the result will become 6 plus 12 plus 6, this one is just 24 square centimeter. Okay, now let's use the second method. The second method is by subtraction. So if we do by subtraction, you can see again, this is the whole area, and then we cut the area in the middle here. Okay, the pink area here, and then become the U shape. Okay, now this one, so let's do this one by subtraction. So we do the total area first here. This one, the length is 6, the breadth is 5, right? So let's do this one, the total area minus the pink shapes area. Yeah, so okay, this one, the total area is 6 times 5, and then minus this, the pink area is 3 times with 2. So if we do it, 6 times 5 is 30, minus 6, it becomes 24 square centimeter. So this one, the result is the same, right? When you compare with by observation, it's 24 square centimeter. By addition, it's also 24 square centimeter. By subtraction, it's also 24 square centimeter. So when you see these two ways, the two methods here, this one, the first one is by addition, and then the second one is by subtraction. Can you think which one is easier to use? Is that by addition or the subtraction? I think it will be easier if you do it by subtraction. If you know the length of this, the sides, yeah, the sides, then you can do it by subtraction. Okay, you can also do it by addition if you want to. Okay, next time I will show you more examples again with other videos. Thank you.